My name is Wainaina Mwirore. I work with the Nairobi County Government, Department of Youth Affairs, Deputy Director in charge of Youth Affairs. And our work is to coordinate youth programming, youth projects within Nairobi County. So coordination will include working with the different players and actors and even young people. And more importantly, we are also keen on having young people participate actively in issues that concern them.
My name is Theo Vasingosa. I come from ActionAid International Kenya.
My name is Fresha Wahura. I work with Youth Alive Kenya. Youth Alive Kenya is a youth serving organization that works around three pillars. Our main pillars are good governance, economic empowerment and livelihoods, social well-being and gender equity. We believe in strengthening the youth participation in the development agenda in line with the Sustainable Development Goals targets at the county, national, regional and global level.
My name is Evans Odipo Tieno. I work for VSO Kenya. VSO stands for Voluntary Service Overseas. I work there as a project officer implementing an interesting project called Active. And we are looking at how can we excite active citizenship among young people, how can we excite young people to take up leadership position and make important decisions in their life and for their country.
My name is Colin Sayo. They call me Otas. I work with Health Poverty Action as a project officer. Our organization deals with matters health and it's a UK-based organization.
I'm Catherine Mwangi Madare, under an organization called Plan International, and she leads project.
My name is Monica Mwai. I'm a youth engagement officer from SDI Kenya.
My name is Cecilia Mwangi. I also go by Halila. I work with the Kenya Red Cross Youth, and our goal is to alleviate human suffering, but more so ensure that young people are meaningfully engaged in terms of, governance in matters, climate action in matters, livelihood, innovation. Yeah.
Generally, we've met the objectives, and I think we've even probably surpassed what we really wanted to achieve. So we are grateful to the participants who came. We are grateful to the partners who have supported us to have this stakeholders workshop.
What we've seen in the past is that county officials sit down and start developing the priorities, then goes to the public to ask their views and what they think. And this is, they've engaged the citizen from the start. So I like it. I think it's something that other sectors should pick from, and I think it's something that we can, across the country, should be taken forward.
I believe this workshop has provided a platform for the youths in this country, represented by the people who attended this workshop, to air out the views and for their interests to be integrated in the C.I.D.P plan 2023-2027.
My reflection kwa hii workshop ya these 2 days imekuwa that tumekuja kulearn vitu mingi zenye hatukuange tukijua. Mostly hata kukuwa involved, kujua what's happening, hatujuangi, literally unapatanga things are happening but hatujakuwa na hiyo information. So for us tumekuwa na hiyo information just within those 2 days. So we hope that tutakuwa engaged more.
For the county, they have their work cut out. The new governor has his work cut out. And I hope and I pray that he actually implements his manifesto, because he even talked about 50 million business fund or something. And that should actually impact the young people of Nairobi County. So yes, it was a great workshop for the last 2 days. And I was privileged to be part of it.
Youth participation, really, I think as organizations, it would be important to just get to speak and sensitize the young people that we represent about the different platforms that are available for them to be able to participate, just to make them aware what is the importance of them speaking out on issues that affect them, and what are some of the platforms that are available for them to be able to speak. Once they are aware, then they can be able to take advantage of these different platforms and speak out on matters and issues that affect them.
For the C.I.D.P, it's a really good platform for the youth to express themselves and for their priorities to be addressed and to be put into action.
Somebody say that if you don't step out, it may never come to you. So for me, I think the county has their work, but the young people also have even a bigger task with them, so that they can ensure that they are part of the process. Because if you don't create your space, I can assure you nobody will move for you. So you must create your space for you to be part of the conversation.
As youth pia tumekuwa challenge kwa hii workshop that information iko but si tunagoja tuletewe hiyo information. We don't go for it but tunasema tuyuko included. So youth tusikae pale tunagoja tu tuletewe information. Let's go for it. Kama tunataka voices zetu zisikike, tuwafikie pia sisi, twende tutafute hizo opportunity. Si kugojea pia ziletwe kwetu.
Young people need to make sure that their voices is captured not just now, but throughout the process until when it will be launched, but then the following documents and the budget and the final role for the young people will be to make sure that they hold those accountable to account to deliver services to them.
The youth will be able to participate in the C.I.D.P by forming committees, youth committees. The youth committees will provide advisory services to the county.
I think just special thanks to the county, the Nairobi County, just for organizing a meeting like this, and also for the partners that put heads together to ensure that the voices of the young people are heard. Just really special thanks to the county, Nairobi County. Youth power.
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 Youth power. Youth power. Youth power.